Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to use SuperMSConfig to customize Windows 11. As you all know, Msconfig is one of the most popular Windows customization tools that lets you adjust your system settings so that you get the best experience while using the OS on your machine. After 25 long years, the tool has gotten an update and renamed as SuperMSConfig, which has been designed specifically for Windows 11. With the SuperMSConfig, you can reconfigure the Windows. Second, you can automate msconfig, and third, it's a powerful system checker. Now to download SuperMSConfig, you have to visit the GitHub page for the same. This is the page. I'll share the link in the description. You can take it from there. Now from here, just scroll down and right hand you can see that the new release is there. Just click on and download it. Just download the supermsconfig.zip file. After downloading the zip file, open this folder. Now you have to extract this zip file. Now you will get the exe here. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on it and run it as administrator. If you have installed Microsoft Defender, it will show it is an unrecognized app. Just click on run anyway. Now the application is running. Now once the tool opens, you will see a drop down menu at the bottom, as you can see it here. Now clicking on it will let you choose from various options like add experience, personalization, privacy, and so on. So after selecting an option, click on check and wait for SuperMSConfig to scan your system. It will then show you the result as good config and bad config. For example, personalization, I'm selecting personalization and just click on check. Now here you can see the result, that is there is one good config and bad config it is 2. So the good config settings are those that you do not need to change, while the bad config settings need to be configured. Inactive settings appear in red, while unconfigured settings appear in yellow, and the configured will be shown in white color. Now if you want to fix all the bad config in one click, then you can select the items and then click fix, and this will apply the settings to all listed settings. Likewise, you can select and check all other options. There is one more feature in this SuperMSConfig, that is you can use plugin with SuperConfig. This can be done by clicking on the Copilot icon. You can see that there is a Copilot icon on the bottom of the utility. Just click on that. For example, if you want to activate a plugin, just click on that plugin. This Clippy companion can help you manage your system by adjusting system settings and installing recommended apps. You can ask questions to the Clippy companion. For example, install View. You can see that it's installing. So this is cool, right? So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.